An investor in Revlon is making noise about a sale of Ronald Perelman's cosmetic empire. First, however, what investor Armored Wolf wants is for Perelman's holding company, MacAndrews and Forbes, to buy back the 22% of Revlon that it doesn't already own through a tender offer. Though that's the investor's primary reason for making waves over at Revlon, it also believes there may be strategics interested in the beauty company, as it also claims it trades at a discount to its global peers. Industry observers tell the deal's Sarah Pringle that among the strategics that might be interested, that is, if Perelman were interested in selling, are Coty, Unilever, and Shiseido. Observers noted that if Revlon was sold to a strategic without a tender, the beauty products company could garner a premium of at least 35%. But there is that 78% of the company that Perelman owns, meaning he's likely to be in the driver's seat for some time to come. With a market cap of around $1.75 billion, Revlon has consistently built itself through M&A. In 2013, it purchased the Spanish cosmetic company for almost $665 million, adding new hair care, lotion, and nail polish brands to its mix. Sarah Pringle will be closely monitoring the situation on Laura Cooper for The Deal.